In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add thanks and regards in existing signature of Outlook. A clear, consistent email signature helps your messages look professional, and adding a polite closing like thanks regards is a simple way to elevate it. I'll walk you through the process in classic Outlook first, then show you how to do the same in the new Outlook and on Outlook.com. Follow along with the version you use. If you're on classic Outlook for Windows, start by opening the Settings window. Click the File tab at the top left, then choose Options. In the Options window, select Mail. Under the Compose Messages section, click the Signatures button to open the Signature and Stationery dialog box. In the Email Signature tab, select your existing signature from the list on the left. In the Editing area on the right, place your cursor where you want the closing to appear and type "Thanks regards" on its own line. Press Enter, then type your name. If you like, add a job title or other professional details, but keep it clean and consistent. Use the formatting toolbar to match fonts, sizes, and colors so the new line blends with the rest of your signature. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save, then click OK to close the dialogues. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook.com, click the Settings gear icon in the top right. At the bottom of the panel, choose View All Outlook Settings. Go to Mail, then Compose and Reply. In the Email Signature section, find your existing signature in the text box. If you don't see one, you can create a new signature in that same area. Click into the Signature text box, position your cursor where you want the closing, and type "Thanks regards," followed by your name on the next line. Add any additional professional info you want to include, keeping the formatting consistent with the rest of the signature. Below the editor, use the checkboxes to decide where this signature should apply, such as new messages, replies, or forwards. When you're done, click Save. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.